report update on what is currently happening with the Dlamini twins tragedy. So Ubab Khaya Dlamini has lost his son and his daughter is currently in ICU. So today morning, South Africans have gathered laphayana ku-West Street eThekwini to go and demand justice from amaphoyisa, from space nje sonke government. It is said ukuthi amaphoyisa have been withholding evidence of what really happened. They do not want to give Ubab Dlamini the evidence, and it is alleged ukuthi investigating officer has also went and blocked Ubab Dlamini whenever he asks footage ukuthi ngicela footage ukubona ukuthi kwenzakaleni kuyingane zami. So now South Africans have decided to gather and strike until they get footage and until ingane Khaya Dlamini ithola justice yakhona. Kuthiwa nje amaphoyisa ayakhokhelwa, and allegedly this is not the first time this kind of accident happens khona laphayana eHomi, but whenever someone passes away or whenever such things happen, bayawakhokhela amaphoyisa nemedia ukuthi kuthulwe. So we decided ukuthi angeke sithule until ingane kaBab Dlamini ithola justice. Guys, if you're in Durban, please go through laphayana kuKhoneya Field, North Smith, if I'm not mistaken, and just join the strike, join the whole justice for the Dlamini twins, because honestly, and it seems as if justice system yethu is effed, because they will not allow Ubab Dlamini to get footage ebona ukuthi ngempela kwenzakaleni kuyingane zethu, kwenzakaleni. My son is dead, my daughter is in the ICU, and you guys are just niyalahla nje icala kanjalo. Like, it does not make sense. But we really hope that Ubab Dlamini gets justice, and lilwe until justice is served.